Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here, and as you can see we are in the settings. When we slide down to the capture settings we get access to the camera leveler here, and by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. For now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the standard camera view, and as you can see it generates us this line. This is helpful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight. So this is how it works. And of course when we want to turn it off we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide down and tap on this button again like that, and as you can see for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.